It is strongly recommended that you watch the What is a Library database and the Using Boolean Operators tutorials on the Comp 1503 LibGuide before continuing. Here's the URL. Remember our search topic, will hydrofracking pollute our water supply? Our tentative search strategy was to use the words hydrofracking, pollute, and water in our search. For question 3, you're being asked to use the library database Academic Search Complete to find an article that would be very useful in backing up what you want to write about on your topic, including the initial search strategy developed for question number 2. To access Academic Search Complete, go to the Comp 1503 LibGuide and open the Find Articles tab. Here is a link to the database, which is an excellent general source for articles from newspapers, journals, magazines, and reports on a wide variety of topics. Notice that this search screen includes several boxes that can be used to connect your search terms with the word "and." You will find that most databases are set up this way. But why? Remember, in the previous tutorial we explained that it's not a good idea to search a database using just one word. Here is the reason why it's not a good idea and why databases include the ability to combine search terms with the word "and." If we search this database with just the word hydrofracking, look at how many entries we retrieve, and they're on all aspects of the topic. That's why in question number 2 we wanted you to generate additional search terms based on your research topic. You will need to combine these terms in a search using "and." The word "and" is also called a Boolean operator, as is the word "or," which we will discuss a bit later. So let's use the initial search words we developed in question 2 and see what results we retrieve when these words are connected by the word "and." We put in hydrofracking and pollute and water. Well, as you can see, using the word "and" to connect words in a search has significantly narrowed the results. In fact, we retrieve so few articles, something must be terribly wrong. Maybe we are using the wrong word or words to search. What if an author wrote about hydraulic fracturing instead of hydrofracking? As a matter of fact, if we look at the list of subject words that are listed for the articles we just retrieved, we can see that the term hydraulic fracturing is used, not hydrofracking. Let's redo the search using hydraulic fracturing instead. Well, we got better results, but still, they're very few. Remember in the previous tutorial it was suggested that you start to compile additional or synonymous words to use in your search? Now would be a good time to try these out. What if someone wrote about pollution from hydrofracking and someone else wrote about contamination from hydrofracking? We can include these terms in our search by employing the Boolean connector OR. We'll change pollution to pollute with an asterisk, or contaminate with an asterisk. That will search for the word pollute or pollution, or contaminate or contamination or contaminations. Now let's see what we find. Look at our search results now. We have expanded our results by using the Boolean OR. Maybe we can expand the search a bit more if we add some additional words to the term water, such as wells or groundwater. Now let's try the search. And we've expanded our results once again. Another way to create a better, more focused search is to use these pull-down menus to search for words and phrases in specific indexes in the database. As you can see, some of the words that we have used appear in the list of subjects for many of the articles. This means that someone or some program has analyzed the content of the article and has determined that it should be listed under a certain defined set of words or phrases. That means that all articles in this database with similar content would be listed under this same subject term. Let's make the word hydrofracking and the words pollute or contaminate subject words in our search. And we'll try the search again. We have retrieved fewer articles, but the ones we have retrieved are going to be more specific to our topic. Now let's work with the set of articles we've just retrieved. What do we do next? Look at the directions for question number 3. It says to only choose full-text articles and to only use journal or magazine articles. No newspapers, book, or video reviews. Here's how to do this in Academic Search Complete. In order to choose only full-text articles, we'll click on this full-text button and update our search. In order to limit our results to only articles that appear in academic journals and magazines, we'll go down to the Source Types box and ask to retrieve only articles in academic journals and magazines. We will not select newspapers, and we'll update the search. The directions for question 3 want you to locate an understandable, substantial, and relevant article in this database. We can easily browse our list of articles by putting the cursor on the spyglass icon, and the abstract of the article will appear. Watch out for very short articles. This one's only a half a page long. Find the best article you can locate that will back up what you want to say in your paper. This one looks pretty good. The article explores the health and environmental concerns over liquid fracking process of natural gas extraction, and it's going to talk about drinking water pollution and methane contamination of groundwater. The worksheet directions want you to print out this screen from the title link, and you can print it out by clicking on the link for printing, or if you don't have time, you can email it or save it on a flash drive. If you want to, you can listen to the article, and if you need to, you can actually have it translated. If you want to create a permanent link to the article, you're going to open this link here and it'll create a permanent link. The worksheet directions also indicate that you need to create an MLA citation for the article you choose. To do this, just click on the Cite button on the toolbar on the right. Use this citation generator to scroll down till you find the MLA citation example and copy and paste it into a working works cited page. So we'll copy it, we'll open up a Word document, we'll open the document and type in works cited, and then we'll paste in our citation. Now, there may be some errors with these citation generators. It's up to you to check the format to make sure it's correct. Consult your textbook or look at the last 2 pages of the library worksheet, which includes some basic MLA examples. So we know, for example, that MLA format says that you should have your citations double-spaced and that there should be an indent on the second and subsequent lines of the citation. We know that the title of the magazine or journal needs to be in italics, as does the name of the database. And I see that it's already put in our method of access, which is via the web, and it gives you the date that we accessed the article. Now we're ready to go on to worksheet question number 4, finding an article using the library database ProQuest.